Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Nachos Bowl updated. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and line a rimmed baking sheet with foil before assembling. Start by layering chips, cheese, and protein in a shallow oven-proof bowl or cast iron skillet. Bake until cheese melts and chips are slightly crisp. Top with fresh salsa, diced avocado, and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Serve immediately so chips stay crunchy and flavors. For perfect layering, think thin alternating layers of chips and cheese to ensure even melting and crisp edges. Place beans or cooked protein between layers so each bite has flavor and texture. Avoid piling too many wet toppings before baking so chips stay crispy. Finish in the oven just until cheese bubbles and edges brown lightly. After baking, add fresh cold toppings like pico de gallo and sour cream for contrast. When the nachos bowl comes out bubbling, immediately add fresh toppings for contrast and texture. Spoon on pico de gallo, diced avocado, chopped cilantro, and a drizzle of crema or sour cream. Offer lime wedges and pickled jalapenos for guests to customize heat levels. For parties, portion into individual bowls or serve straight from the skillet for a cozy sharing vibe. Garnish with green onions for a final pop of color and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.